plant-based peach crisp, peach crumble, whatever you want to call it. Everyone is going to love this dessert. It's super easy to make, and guess what? You can use canned peaches. You're going to love this one. No oil, no butter, dairy-free, vegan, healthy, plant-based, you name it. This one crosses the T's and dots the I's, and it's high in fiber. Delicious dessert, easy to make, easy to take to your next party. You're going to love it. Stay tuned. If you like that recipe, you're going to love the recipes at Intentionally Eat. I base them on Genesis 1:29. God gave us plants, and that's what my recipes are. They're plant-based, they're healthy, they're delicious, but you know what? You can still have dessert. So enjoy, and let me know what you think of the crisp, cobbler, crumble. It's not a cobbler, crumble, crisp, whatever. It's delicious.